So I'm going to do a full write-up on Friday, or on Monday rather, but since it's 5 o'clock Friday, I at least wanted to say what's been going on here. So you can see this effect here applied with image cache actions. Image cache and image cache actions are very powerful Drupal projects. So that you upload an image and it's automatically processed and spits back this. No CSS required to do this kind of a thing. And very minimal, programming, if you will, because you just have to set options. But I've taken it a step further here. So in the asset management system, we now have a create image template. So basically what I'm doing is routing this information back to image cache on the back end. You'll see with the template, you have some little tokenized fields, which I'll get into at a later date. But just for the sake of argument, I'm going to put image here. And we'll put a little BR here and add the citation. This isn't really necessary, but just to show that that's working. So basically, again, routed these settings into this CCK form. So you got type of scale. Do you want to resize, crop, or do you want to scale and crop? Whatever, think of this as templating. So, I'm going to upload images. I want them to look a consistent way on output, but I don't want people to have to know how to use image cache, know how to use image cache actions. Don't even want them to know how to use HTML, frankly. So let's take this back and rip that out. So it's just purely image for the sake of this, and you'll see why. So scale and crop, I'm going to take my image, I'm going to say all of these images are going to be 300 by 200 of this my new template thing. Let's change that to movie clips or my photos. Okay, so color manipulation. Again, image cache actions at work. So you got grayscale, negative, sepia, or color shift, where you can go and apply that overlay to an image. I'm just going to go with sepia because I'm really happy I was able to make it do that. Lightbox. Do you want lightbox applied to images of this classification? So I'm going with yes. You can see how it works. Special effects. This is why I am so excited. So working on watermarking for next week. But image treatment, got rounded corners, picture frame, and tape to page. Tape to page I don't have working just yet, but picture frame and rounded corners do. So I'm going to hit rounded corners, and you will see what happens. So here's just my sample image, and I've got it, okay, it's sepia, rounded corners. I click, pops up. I've got the sample title and the, credits here, photo by Cody Goddard. Excellent. So why is this so powerful? Well, if I go back to the main page, I have to have an image in here somewhere. Yeah, the title is here, but that's the image I use. So I'll upload a new image. So I'm going to browse, grab a picture. It'll be this one. Upload. Okay, I got my vocabulary. This goes under general. And copyright, me at work, taken by Cody. Okay, let's save. And you'll see I just have this very basic output, but I now have a template thing here. So as new templates are added to the site, they get populated here automatically. So picture frames is one that I made earlier to showcase the picture frame template. Bam. Now, this code here at the bottom, I can copy and paste this into any course that we have and automatically get this effect applied to this image. Say I want to change the effect. I don't want that type of formatting. I want the basic formatting, what our standard is. Okay, there you go. It's a black and white image, has a little lightbox pop-up, has the standard text in it, a caption. Utilizing that one that I had just created, my photos, I can click that, and now this is a preview of what that would look like, and I have my embed code. You can see in the embed code that I've created is similar to the JW Player embed code. Config is just my photos. If I switch this to no formatting, lightbox 200 by 200, which is another demonstration, you'll see this is now, I can't, well, I turn lightbox back on, but you can turn lightbox off. And you'll see config, no formatting, blah, 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 as well as a path to here. So you can actually update the template after the fact and have it propagate site-wide, system-wide.